My name is Stephanie Bernard, and along with my husband, we own a company called thestampsoflife.com. Now, we've been in business since 2009, and one of the big things that we do around here is we have a club. If you are in one of our clubs, you get a 15 to 20% discount off of everything on our website, no exclusions. That means you get a 15% discount or 20%, depending on which club you're in, a 15% discount on online classes, die cut machines, adhesives, inks, cardstock, stamps, dies, everything. Now, we have 3 different clubs. They start as little as $13.99 a month and they go up. Now, what does the $13.99 a month come with, right? Well, that's called our stamp club, and you get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Here's an example of one of the stamp sets that we've done in the past. So this would not be sent to you automatically in the club because it's already been released. Each month I design new ones every single month, so all of our club members get the exact same one sent to them on the first of the month. So here's an example of one that we had. This one was called Pocket to Stamp. Now, this pocket here is a separate stamp from all of those on the inside. A pocket full of stamps, sunshine, birthday, has lots of words, has an image. Our images are usually a little bit larger than other companies because I want it really to stand out on your card. Now, you might be saying, wow, well, that kind of looks nice. $13.99, that's after shipping, by the way, my friends. Shipping's included in that $13.99. We do have to add tax if you live in an area that we need to charge tax. But you get a brand new stamp set sent to you every month for $13.99. Then you also get a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Remember, I said everything, no exclusions. If you stay in a full year, on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website, just as a little happy anniversary thank you gift. Now, when you purchase on our website, you're also earning club points. And with every shipment, you get club points. Now you're saying, hey, Stephanie, that kind of sounds like something I might want to do. What is the time commitment? The time commitment is only 10 years. I'm kidding, right? The time commitment is only 3 months. After 3 months, we figure you'll either know if you love us or you don't. And if you don't, I understand, that's okay. You can go into your account and click cancel, and boom, you're done. But chances are you're going to kind of like us, and you're going to want to stay in to get those extra benefits, to get those anniversary certificates and all that fun stuff. Now, some of you, or maybe I should say most of you, are saying, okay, all of this sounds great, but I like to stamp, but I am not going to cut those out by hand. Remember the olden days when we used to use scissors to cut these out? My friends, don't worry, I got you covered. Because this is the Stamp Club, we also have, boom, a Die Hard Club. That is the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now you don't have to worry about fuzzy cutting. I know it's called fussy. I call it fuzzy because it always looks fuzzy to me. You have die cuts, you have dies that match the stamps. This is called the Die Hard Club. This is $29.99 a month plus tax if needed. Now, let's say you're in Canada and you're thinking, well, those prices are just for the US. Guess what, my friends, in Canada, your price is only 50 cents more a month. That's it, 50 cents more. And it comes in a standard white envelope, no duty. I know, isn't it pretty amazing? I know, it's awesome. So, Stamp Club, Die Hard Club. Same benefits, they're both shipped on the first of the month. $15 gift certificate if you stay in a full year. 3-month commitment, okay? Now, we also have, and 15% discount, right? We also have, and I have other samples to share with you, we also have a kit club. Now, the kit club is pretty much intended mostly for our U.S. club members because in the Canada and international shipping gets a little expensive. We do have customers that are in Canada and international for this club, but it does get a little bit more expensive because of that darn shipping. But for our U.S. club members, the cost on this kit is only $42.98, or if you're already in the Die Hard, you save an extra $5, so it's only $37.88. Now, do you want to know the best part? It comes with, most of the time, a card die. $27.99 value. These go on my website 6 months after they come out in the kit club for $27.99, but you're getting it in the kit club. Okay, what else comes in here? Well, you get, boring envelopes, but we always need them, right? You're getting a handy dandy storage envelope to store your cardstock. or dies or anything you want. You're getting a pack of cardstock to make some cards. You're getting enough product to make a minimum of 12 cards, but most customers say they make way more cards. You're getting an idea card. This kit in general came with 2 ribbons. It came with, every month comes with a pattern paper pad. I design a new one every month. This is the pattern paper pad. Listen to how nice and thick this paper is. That's 1 sheet. Double-sided, printed in the United States. Oh, did I also mention our stamps are photopolymer, made in the United States. I know. Most of our products are made in the U.S. Our papers are one of them. Our blocks are another. Our ink pads, our stamps. But this cardstock is amazing. And I design a new one every month, 24 sheets. This kit came with foil stickers. Wow. It came with puffy clouds. It came with mirror dots. It had some cute little epoxy hearts and a little die word that says yippee. All of that for $42.99 after shipping. That's it, $42.99. But if you're in the Die Hard, it's $5 less. Now, and we have a lot of customers that are in the Kit Club and the Die Hard Club. So that means they're getting a shipment on the 1st of the month and the 15th of the month. 2 different charges, charged separately. 1st of the month, 15th of the month. They are called our Gold Club members. Now, Gold Club members do not save a 15% on our website. They save 20% on our website. Can you believe it? 20%. It's like a sale every single day you come to our website. Now, is that just like a one-time purchase thing? No. Every single time. We release new items every single month, multiple times a month, different days. We have release days on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. Items on the 25th are usually items that I've taken on HSN in the past, the 25th. But all those other dates are brand new items. No obligation to purchase, but if you like us, don't forget you're getting 15 to 20% off. Now, the Stamp and Die Hard Club is always going to be very general in theme. Yes, I release other stamps and dies throughout the month, but the Stamp and Die Hard are always going to be very general in theme. So this was another one, the cute little birds. The birds have been very, very popular. This is another one, the Wheelbarrow to Stamp. This was a Stamp and Die Hard Club back in the day. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what what a stamp club would include. Here's a cute little jar that we did 1 month. And here's a cute little dragonfly that we did 1 month. So you're going to see it's very general in theme because it needs to appeal to as many people as possible. How fun is that? Now, if you're in the Kit Club, on your year anniversary, you're getting a $25 gift certificate to our website. You're also getting club points. You're getting 15% off everything. Unless you're in both, then you're getting a 20% off of everything. And if you're gold, which is even better, is you get early access. You get the chance to purchase items that no one else gets to purchase. It's pretty awesome. You need to check it out. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, pick the club you want to join, and let's have some fun together. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.